Mukhan magi khalaga life to etu ase 365 days kam koribo bacha khan ki bi sabo so family ki bi mukhan magi khan he take care go lage aro mukhan to ki kobo ek second bi mukhan ke rest nai chudi nai kam koria opode it be next ahe tage aro kitia mukhan suffering hoigena gaude bemar bokhigena koi libi family manukan moda khan tai khan to neglect kore ekun no hoy itu to bemar to bhal hoi jabo iman dangor bemar no hoy bhal hoi jabole ase koi tage moda
Oi, what's new? Every woman getting pain? If it is so much paining, you take pain lock, either you take stop it from the pharmacist. It will be. But you women always complaining pain. Every woman's facing. Go and buy from the pharmacist and eat.
Motagi belibi man no bone tai do pura pello khabi stop it khabi ko aro so anak mai ki khan to te mu ki compare kore anak mai ki khan ke sabi ta khan ki pema hoibi ta khan itu khai ki na mu ki man serious bin no loi shitin hui shomi ki pe khai na mu ki man din hoye se ta serious bin no loi
As we seen in this skit, when people are not serious for each other,
it does kid the kind of action get serious no pura
and comparing one another,
aro comparing to others
and without eating doctor prescribes medicines,
aro doctor get prescribe no kurikana medicine kha
what curse comes to our life?
aro mukhala life te ki curse aya se mukhan to
Sometimes it can be very dangerous for our life.
kitia ba time de itu laga life itu mukhan la life te bi itu danger hoi jabo
And one day we can lose also our loving one.
ituns na aro ektin to mukhan bra pishi morom bra mukhan laga manu hi mukhala hat bra ta chances
So sometime we need to go to the doctor if some pains are happening. We must know the proper cause and eat medicines.
itu ane kitia amnan ke kaude ki problem hoye se doctor ke amne jagena doctor bra advice loigena amne medicine khabo lage
Either it will be cause lot of side effect in our future.
kile gole itu bra mukhan bishi side effect mukhala life te I would have tin de itu ho
So our video purpose is educate people.
itu ane itu video purpose to kiasi gole manukhan ke educate
Because many middle class families they are eating medicines from the pharmacist.
Pishi family kan doctor ba prescription na loge na pishi pharmacist ba he doctor pemar asol pemar ki se ito root na jane ke na pishi ki pai ito medicine khat ma kan tikileshe.
For a while it can give us relief.
A lot time de to mukha laga dekha do relief kori dibo.
And if we take long time,
long time itu khaile do.
It create a very severe side effects.
Itu bra mukha laga body de pishi severe effect itu banai de.
After some years, we come to understand our liver is spoiled or kidney is spoiled.
Aro itu bra after some year de mukha laga liver mukha laga kidney itu biya hoye se gona doctor ba itu boide.
And sometimes we can lose our life.
Itu bra mukha la life to pishi short de ane de.
So be educated.
Itu ane amna ke lob educate koribe.
Keep praying.
Aro isur ke naroke na pray koribe.
And love one another.
Aro ekjon ke morom thagibe.